Okay, so it's our first allocation here at the Lagoon Front Estate by our partner company Landmark Corporate Realties Limited. Okay, so this estate, the Lagoon Front Estate, is one of the most talked about estate in the real estate market here in Lagos, Nigeria. It is a property facing the lagoon with close proximity to the Alaro City. And one of the things we promise our client is we promise them instant allocation on their plots. And today we are delivering to happy clients their plots. We are showing them their plot physically. Okay, so I'm going to be taking you inside to show you some of the activities that's going on. Though I'm coming here pretty late, but I'm going to take notice of some of the plots that we are being allocated today. So investors, join me as I take you inside. Yeah. Join me inside as I take you for the allocation. So though I came pretty late, but lots of plots have been allocated here today. You can see the blocks, the plots. I came towards the end of the event, had other serious engagement to attend to. Okay, so you're welcome to the Lagoon Front. So here we have the Lagoon Front Estate layout. Okay. So let me just take you around a little and show you some of the allocations that we have made today. Okay. The Lagoon Front Estate, a little statistics and brief about the Lagoon Front Estate. The Lagoon Front Estate was launched last year around May, June. Okay, it started selling at a pre-launch price of 5 million naira, and that was when I brought it to the notice of a lot of our investors. Okay, and you can see this is one of the allocation, block 1, plot 1. Okay, that person has been allocated. So this is a road into the estate. Okay, so as I was saying, at a pre-launch price of 5 million naira, a lot of investors believed in me and they took advantage of that investment. And when the estate was fully launched, it launched at a price of 7.5 million naira, meaning early investors who took advantage of the pre-launch price made a profit of 2.5 million naira in a very short time. Okay, now after that, I still brought it to the notice of investors, and I had quite a number of people who also invested at the price of 7.5 million naira. Okay, this is another allocation, block 3, plot 2. Okay, so a lot of allocations were done today. Okay, so a lot of investors invested at 7.5 million naira, and when value was added to the land, value in terms of the perimeter fence, value in terms of the clearing, okay, the value of the property appreciated further. This is another allocation, block 3, plot 11. Okay, so I'm just taking time. A lot of allocations were done here today. Okay, and allocations normally are done for clients who have made complete payment of their land and complete payment of the statutory fee. Statutory fee, which will include your developmental fee, it will include your survey fee, and also include your cost of documentation. Okay, so those investors after, okay, this is another one, block 3, plot 10. So a lot around. Okay, so these investors who invested at 7.5 million naira, when more value was added to the land, okay, like the perimeter fence, okay, the clearing of the estate, the value of the land went, the value of the land appreciated, and the price went up to 10 million naira. And that means early investors who invested at 5 million naira at that point made 5 million naira extra returns on their investment, which is 100%. And those who invested at 7.5 million naira, as at when it became 10 million naira, made 2.5 million naira returns on their investment. And there is one thing I told investors when the Lagoon Front Estate was launched. I said the location of this estate, coupled with the title that comes with the estate, a government allocated C of O, and by virtue of the brand behind the Lagoon Front Estate, having carefully looked at their other projects and how they give a lot of value to their estates and how their property appreciates, I said the Lagoon Front Estate is going to sell for 50 million naira in a short time, and yes, people will still invest. And so today, currently the Lagoon Front has appreciated to 15 million naira, and so the Lagoon Front Estate currently sells at 15 million naira. And I will tell you, that investor who is yet to invest, that it is not too late to invest into the Lagoon Front Estate, because for the fact that the first physical allocation has been done here, it means that building works will start at the Lagoon Front Estate. And once building work starts at the Lagoon Front Estate, it means more value is being added to the estate. And as more value is added to the estate, the land is appreciating, and so also will the price of the Lagoon Front Estate appreciate. So it is not late for you to invest into the Lagoon Front Estate, currently selling at 15 million naira for 500 square meter, having a government allocated C of O as a title, and also in a very well strategic location just by Alaro City. Okay, so investors, if you are yet to invest here at the Lagoon Front Estate, you still have the opportunity to do so with an initial minimum deposit of 1 million naira. You can key into the Lagoon Front Estate. You spread your balance within 3 to 4 months interest free. If you are spreading your balance in 6 months to 12 months, you have a little interest attached to it. Okay, this is one of the best investments. This is one of the best real estate investment you should have in your portfolio. Okay, so investors, it is not too late. You can buy at 15 million naira. By the time the price of this property gets to 50 million naira, by the time it gets to 70 million naira, by the time it gets to 100 million naira, you would have made a whole lot of returns on your investment. So your money should not be sitting in the bank. Your money should not be sitting in the bank. Your money should be sitting in real estate. Okay, constantly the value of the naira constantly is depreciating and decreasing in value. If you are a diaspora client, then convert your dollar into naira and invest here in the Lagoon Front Estate. Trust me, you'll be so happy you did. All these were allocations that we had done today. All these were allocations that we had done today. So I'll be happy. I will be happy for you to be among the next batch of clients, the next batch of investors, the next batch of subscribers that will be allocated here at the Lagoon Front Estate. I tell you, a property across the lagoon, okay, the property across the lagoon called Isimi Lagos sells for 21 million naira for just 300 square meters. and the price is also still going up. Okay, so the best time for you to invest here in the Lagoon Front is still now. Invest before the price goes to 20 million. Invest before the price goes to 30 million naira. So investors, I'll quickly walk to the lagoon so that you can see the waterways, and you can also see that in the video we still have our machineries on site that keeps working on a daily basis to ensure that this estate is ready for habitation. By virtue of the project, by virtue of the plan that the brain behind the Lagoon Front has for this estate, it is one estate you just need to own in your investment. There's going to be a yacht here at the Lagoon Front Estate. That yacht is going to enable you to make use of the waterways. With the waterways, you could connect Victoria Island, you could connect Ikorodu, you could connect different parts of Lagos. Okay, and also there's going to be massive hotels here for resort purpose. Okay, so all this, when they come into play, it's really going to make the value of this estate appreciate so high. Investors, the best time to invest is at the early stage. It is still early for you to take advantage of this investment opportunity. See into the future. See into what this mass expanse of land is going to turn into in the next 2, 3, 5 years, and position yourself today. Buy the future today. Okay, buy the future today. Create the opportunity to have that massive wealth today. So investors, I don't really need to talk much about the Lagoon Front Estate. I have done quite a couple of videos on the Lagoon Front Estate. So my numbers are scrolling on the screen. Give me a call. I'll be able to guide you to invest here. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, my name is Victory Wealth. You're welcome to my channel, Real Estate Investment Guide, where I bring you real estate investment opportunities that are safe, that are secured, in strategic locations that commands value and brings you high returns on investment. Please like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so you can always get first-time, real-time investment opportunities from me. So right over there is the lagoon. Right over there is the lagoon. That's the water. Okay, that's the waterway, and across the other side you have the bridge that links into Epe, and towards that end is the Alaro City. In this same location, we will be having the Lekki Airport coming here. We'll be having the 4th mainland bridge coming in within this location. So it's a prime location for you to invest in. So investors, give me a call and I'll be available to guide you invest here. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end, and as usual, God bless you.